Is that good? Bitcoin 2020. Bitcoin 2020. The halving is coming up fucking soon. And some people might say like, oh, no, not that many people are talking about it, so that means it's completely useless, right? But I actually see that as an inherent advantage. Because no one's talking about an actually big event and an actual catalyst, that means you're early if you figure out now. That's the thing. People will figure out about how big of an event that is. And if you get in now or soon, then you will be in before the masses get in. That is the key to investing, and especially Bitcoin, is to get in before the masses. And no, it is not too late. If you look at the charts, the odds are extremely in your favor. Some people say Bitcoin's going to zero, but pretty much based on history, it's either going to zero or it's going to have a parabolic spike in the next year or two. Everyone knows that. So it's a really, 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 really good risk-reward ratio. It's almost unarguable how good the risk-reward ratio is. You know, because you either you just lose your money, or you can 100x it, 150x it, especially with the altcoins. But there's not too much downside. And even if it does go to zero, that's not going to be a quick process, most likely. It's not just going to go from being up for about 11 years. That's about how long Bitcoin's been around 11 years. It's not just going to go from 8K now, it's at 8K, all the way down to zero in a day. It's not going to happen. It's like a fucking billions and billions and billions of dollar market cap. You don't just see something go down exponentially like that in one day. So even if it's going to go to zero, you're going to have a lot of time to get out. And it's probably going to be pretty obvious that it's going to zero before it's at zero. So what I'm saying is that even if it's going to zero, you're not even probably going to lose all of your money. You'll probably be able to get out before it actually gets to zero. So what I'm saying is that pretty much you're either going to lose like max like 70% of your money, maybe, probably not. You'd probably be able to get out like maybe around 70%. You would know that it's going to zero. Either you lose 70% of your money or you just like 100x it. Like that's pretty much how it's looking based on history. So highly recommend it. It's already going up parabolic today. It just reached like 8,300. I just checked. Everything is popping off ever since followed the market crash, but it's just, I'm predicting it right now. I can see that it's most likely going to be an absolutely tremendous opportunity, like now, in the past, or the next around 4-ish months. It's probably still going to be a little bit undervalued, but once people start realizing, especially with the switch to digital currency, it's going to be a gigantic opportunity. And I just wanted to make you guys aware of that, because that has a very, 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 very good risk-reward ratio, all right? So look into it, do your own research, look at the charts, look at the history, and assess your risk-reward ratio, okay? Peace.